Sarah? Sarah? Mummy's got a present for you. Do you want to see what your present is? Do you want to see what your present is, Zara? Do you want to see what your present is?
This is Ola, Zara. This is your friend Ola. Ooh. Are you going to give Ola a drink? Give Ola a drink. Oh, that was nice of you. Are you going to give Ola a cuddle? Give Ola a cuddle or a kiss? A cuddle? Are you going to give Ola a cuddle? Whee! Oh, poor Ola, lift her up. Yes. Where are you taking her?
Ola.
Ola.
Ola. She says, hello, Sarah. Hello.
Where's
Can I
Ola's?
have a kiss?
Oh, that's nice. Where does Ola go? You enjoying that drink? Where's Ola's hair? You've got Ola by the hair. Is that Zara's hair? Ola?